How to log out from Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log out from your Duolingo applications on your device. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch the Duolingo applications on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account on Duolingo. After a while, on the home screen, you will see the multiple icon at bottom of the screen. Simply tap on your profile icon at bottom center of the screen. Now, once you are here, you need to tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you will reach on the settings page, where at bottom of the screen you will see sign out button. Simply tap the sign out button and then your Duolingo account will be successfully signed out. If you wish to add another account, simply tap add another account button and then you can easily sign into other account as well. So that is how we log out from Duolingo app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.